Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So it's day number 7 of my Vlogmas series where I'm trying to do a video every day for the month of December, or at least until Christmas. And I'm just calling it Vlogmas because it's December and that's what people tend to do, I guess, Vlogmas for the month of December. But today I thought we'd take a look at this little knife, little Swiss Tech Listig, a 7-in-1 multi-tool knife from Walmart. I picked this up a few weeks ago. I actually bought two. I bought one for my son for a birthday present, one for myself for about $11.80 something. It was just under $12 a piece, so not a bad deal. $12 little multi-tool knife. But yeah, I thought we'd check it out. So check the box out. Swiss Tech Listig 7-in-1 multi-tool knife, the Go Anywhere companion. It says 7 tools, 6 tools plus the keyring, G10 handle, and the picture is actual product size. So that's how big it is. And at the bottom, you got your barcode, item number 6671S. Designed and developed in the USA. It is made in China. It was in slot 31. This side, you got your limited lifetime warranty, and you can contact them with help at greatstar-us.com. And again, actual product size, you got like a top-down picture of it. Nothing on the top. This side, can't really read too much, but it is distributed by Great Star Ltd, designed in USA, made in China. You got your cancer and reproductive harm warning for California. Then on the bottom, some more information. You can put it on your keys or in your pocket. Listig's barely there design gives you the essential tools you need for the task at hand. Ultra compact, 2.3 inches in length. Slim, 0.35 profile, 6 tools plus a keyring. G10 handle material for added grip. And you get a drop point blade, fine and coarse file, flathead screwdriver, spring action scissors, precision toothpick, precision tweezers, and a keychain attachment. So there's the back side. Let's pull this thing out. Did have it opened up. Got a little pull tab here, and you can slide it open just like that. And sits in this little tray. Pull that out. Is there anything under it? Nothing under the tray, so put that to the side. Here's the little guy. Pretty cool. G10 scales on it. Good texturing. It's actually pretty grippy compared to a Victorinox, regular Victorinox plastic scales. This has a lot of grip. Here's your keyring attachment. Little split ring. Then you have a red toothpick. So they got a little bit of red on this. I've noticed Swiss Tech's putting red on a lot of their knives. And over here you have a gray pair of tweezers, which they get the focus. They come to a pretty good point right there. Fine tip. They don't feel too bad. So, got a little pair of tweezers. I think they're not too bad with that point. And then, let's start with the blade. Got a nice little kind of they call it a drop point blade. It's almost a sheep's foot blade. You got the nail nick is a hole right here. It works pretty good. Pull's not too bad. Look, snaps right closed. I'd give the pull on this maybe a 3, a 2, a 3. But good spring back on that. Open this. Yeah, it snaps into place. Right there. And it's a double grind, so it's got the bevel on both sides. A lot of times these small blades are kind of chisel ground only on one side. A little sharpening choil, so that's nice. Got Swiss Tech right there. Nothing on the other side. I'm not sure what the steel is on this. I have no clue. So nice little blade. Let's see. Will it cut paper? Yeah, it cuts it. It's a little rough. As you can see. Find another clean spot. So that's fairly sharp. Not terrible. Got a little piece of cardboard down here. Let's see. Yeah, you can cut through a single layer of cardboard. Not the easiest thing, but nice little blade. Probably hone it up a little bit. You know, I got the Victorinox little sharpener if I can get the cap off. Has a V-notch with ceramic blades in there. Run that through there a little bit. Just to see if that makes any difference. Yeah. So it was a little rough grind. Just that little bit. Really took the burrs off. So let's see what else we got. We got the file. Little screwdriver tip. So you got coarse file, single hatch file, cross hatch file. Seems not too bad. File your nail with it. You could probably file, you know, smooth out a piece of wood, maybe a little piece. Maybe remove a burr off something. Nice little screwdriver tip. Really no play. A little bit of flex. So that's one side. This side looks like you have only the scissors. Nice little spring-loaded scissors. I keep throwing my paper on the floor and I gotta bend over and pick it up to see if it cuts paper. Well, it cuts paper okay. Ooh, they're tiny. What was that piece of cardboard? Let's see if I can snip the cardboard. Yeah. That is just a single piece of cardboard from a priority mailbox. So you can, yeah, it cuts that pretty decent. Here's another piece. Not bad. I don't have a piece of paracord right here to see. I doubt it would cut paracord very good. But nice little scissors. And I already showed you the toothpick and stuff. So I know some of their measurements are not exactly correct. It says 2.3 inches We'll measure it to 2. I'm getting 2.3 right there. It is about from the top of the blade there, 0.73 inches tall and 0.35 inches thick. Not too bad. I like the G10 cover design here. Let's compare it to a Victorinox Classic SD. This is the only one I have from the Rough Grouse Society. Basically the same tools in it, right? Pretty much the same size. The Swiss Tech is just a little bit longer. Let's see. No, actually 2.3. 0.34, 0.35, height 0.68, so this is a little bit taller than the Victorinox. Weight, about the same. I don't know how much this weighs. Does it say? Does not say the weight. I'll weigh it and my scale, and I'll put it up on the screen in case you're curious. So this little guy, I was thinking I would put it in my winter coat, attach it to the zipper. My coat is gray, this is black. I think I'll use a Night Eyes locking S-beaner. Hook this on here into the key ring, hook this on my zipper, then I'll have a larger zipper pull and I can detach it, use it if I want. But yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'm gonna put this on my coat. I think my son put his on his winter coat, so it's readily available because it's tiny. I don't carry a Victorinox Classic because it's so tiny. My luck, I would lose it. I always keep them in the pouch or something. But yeah, pretty cool. Got the Swiss Tech logo right there, which I guess looks like a tree to me. I don't know exactly what it is, but it looks like a little tree. And yeah, pretty cool. Black, a little touch of red. And I'll show you what I'm still carrying this today. I carried it yesterday. My Swiss Tech Listig, and this has touches of red on it also. The red thumb disc and the red cap end spacer here with the lanyard hole. Pretty nice knife. They make a good pairing, just like that. Go pretty good together, actually. So yeah, I guess that'll do it for this video and this knife. Something I picked up and I'm going to attach to my coat and thought I'd share it. Not too bad for 12 bucks, probably 12 something with tax. But yeah, guess that's it. Do the usual, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And until next video, bye.